Hey guys, Mike from Ramsey Jeep. Today we're going to talk about the safety features you need to know about on the Ram 1500. To start off, I consider it a safety feature, LED lights. LED lights, LED fog lights. To be able to see is very important. It keeps you safe. Another thing that's important is going to be your parking sensors. You can tell that you have sensors with these circles right around here. Most cars are going to have them in the back. This car has it in the front. Pretty much standard across the board is going to be forward collision sensors with pedestrian alert. So whether a person's in the way, a car, even a large animal, it will actually apply the brakes for you to stop or mitigate an accident. On top of that, some cars are going to have surround view cameras. Many things you could use them for. Backing up, I personally use them when I'm pulling forward to see how close I am to the cars. You're also going to find, usually, you're going to have maybe a sensor board here or a sensor board up in the rear view mirror over there. And what that's going to contain is your active lane management and your adaptive cruise control. Two features when you're on a long trip, very important to use. Helps with fatigue, helps with keeping you in the lane, and helps you be a safer driver. Let's take a look at the side. We're going to show you blind spot. Another feature that pretty much all our cars have standard is blind spot monitoring. You got to have this on your car. The way people drive nowadays, you want to know what's going on in your blind spot before you make that turn. Our Ram 1500s have an additional, what I call convex mirror, that helps extend past that blind spot too. So you have this that would light up, and this would give you a better field of view. If you're trailering, this is really important. The blind spot actually extends with the trailer as well. Another feature that's super important is trailer sway dampening. This is actually a pretty cool feature. So if you're losing control of your trailer, this happens a lot on the highways, it actually applies brakes on the opposite side to help control, slow down your car, as well as the trailer, so that way you stabilize and control what you're towing. Last but not least, all our cars are going to have rear view backup cameras. Now the Ram 1500s have a feature called trailer hitch zoom. So it'll actually take the camera and point it straight down at the hitch. So hooking up the trailer is a breeze. You're also gonna find your rear park sensors here. You're gonna turn those off when you're hooking up your trailer, so you could actually pull onto the trailer. And your 7 4-pin connections. This vehicle does have an option to add a trailer camera, trailer surround camera, for additional safety. If you want to test drive any of our cars, take a look at what we have capability-wise, come down to Ramsey Jeep.